The next step is localization. This is where you set the language experience for your users. The list of languages is where you add all the languages your loyalty program should support. The platform will detect the user's system settings, and if their system's language falls within the list you configured, the widget will automatically appear to them in that language. Users will also be able to change the language in their widget settings. The default language is what users will see if their language isn't available. In this example, it's set to English, so any users whose language isn't supported will fall back to English automatically. Once you've added your languages and set to default, hit Save.